Welcome back to Drive Domination. The 2026 Subaru Uncharted brings a new level of performance to the trusted family of Subaru electric SUVs. Coming in spring 2026, the Uncharted features up to 338 horsepower. Available legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, quick charging, 8.3 inches of standard ground clearance, and an available range of more than 300 miles. It's the perfect blend of performance, capability, and convenience in a right-sized fastback style package. Get ready for our most sporty Subaru electric vehicle, the 2026 Subaru Uncharted. An EV you can trust from a brand you can love. Built for exciting daily driving. The 2026 Uncharted lets you choose your ideal balance of power, capability, and range. Up to 338 horsepower. Up to 290 miles range with available legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive. For maximum range, more than 300 miles, choose the Uncharted Premium Front-Wheel Drive. Trim. Built-in fast charge capability, 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes to battery preconditioning system optimizes. Cold weather charging speeds. Compatible with North American Charging Standard NACS, adding more than 15,000 charging locations across the country. The 2026 Uncharted features a fastback exterior design with a rearward sloping roofline that improves aerodynamics and creates a sporty silhouette, illuminated front badge, aggressively contoured lower cladding, and available 20-inch alloy wheels. Standard 14-inch touchscreen interface and dual wireless device chargers. Available 11-speaker Harman Kardon premium audio system. Available panoramic fixed glass roof and power SUN SHADE.DONT. Forget to subscribe. Drive Domination.